Well, hi, yeah. I'm in the shed again, back out at my car. And you remember when I told you about the rust? I'm going to buff this off. I have a piece of an old wing which I can weld back in here, and the plastic strip that will go over will hide most of this. But before I start buffing off down around here, I think it's most advisable to remove the bumper. On these wee cars, one second. On these wee cars, getting in underneath. Let's see, quite easy to remove. Bolts. Yeah, you see the bolts? I think it's 19mm. I'm going to take out one here, and you see this plug should pop out. And up through, we're getting the light here, so you can get it. There's another one. There's two bolts each side. We'll take the two bolts out. The whole bumper should pull out of place and clear the wing. There's another little spot there. As I say, we're going to cut out the most of that. Eventually, hopefully in a year or so, I'll put two new wings on the car, if I still have it. Yeah, you see it all. Right. That's the bolts removed, and theory, this should come off. And yeah, something I have forgot to take off is our indicator wires. So not something you forget. Follow them up through. Quite simple. Just a single plug socket. Turn the wire down. And see if we get it up this side. Take it out. Keep two wires disconnected. And voila, bumper off. And as you can see, I'm not just a pretty face. Take care, bye bye, adios.